Good day everyone! So this is Master Shi and may bago na naman tayong tutorial today. This time I will teach you how to use or how to clip a photo in your text using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so first is you need to type a text on your screen or on your canvas. Okay, so this is the tip in typing the text on your canvas. You just click the T here on your toolbox and then just click your canvas and then type. Okay, so for example, she. Okay, and then you just click move tool to finalize, and then you may resize if you want to. Yeah, and then you just click apply if you're done. Okay, so that's how you add text in your Adobe Photoshop. Now, for example, you want to create an effect na gusto ninyo may effect yung ating text. Okay, like photos or different pictures that you want to use in your text. So all you have to do is open a picture, okay, that you will be needing for your text. Now, you look at the picture here. So for example, I will be using this photo. Okay, I will look on my layer palette. Okay, so the photo is an index file. So that means this is a PNG and it is protected. So that is why you cannot use this for your text. Now, may solution po tayo. If you are using an index file, all you have to do is go to image menu, click mode, and then choose RGB color. Ayan, naging background na siya. Okay, so pag okay na at hindi na siya naka-index color, you just go to move tool and then drag the photo going to your text. There. Okay, I do not release my mouse yet. Okay, so if done na, just release your mouse to transfer your photo to the other canvas. And then just resize like this. So you may now resize the photo and then put it here on top of the text. Now, you just have to finalize the size and then just click OK. Now, when you apply the create clipping mask, make sure that the photo that you will be using for the mask should be always on top of the text. Okay, lagi nasa taas dapat siya, hindi dapat nasa ilalim ng text. Okay, because we were going to attach it in the text. That's why it should be on top. And then just right click the photo and then look for the create clipping mask command. And automatic the photo will be attached to the text. Now, if you want to edit out the photo like this, for example, you want to move it, okay, you just have to click the layer of the photo on your Adobe Photoshop, and then you just move it so that you can resize the photo. Okay, and then just click OK. So that's it, how to attach your photos to your text in Photoshop. Now, if you want to add more, for example, the drop shadow, just double click the text mismo. Okay, yung text po mismo ang i-click natin. So you just double click the computer text for you to add some drop shadow. And then if you want to add more stroke, okay, on your text, okay, and then for the drop shadow, if you want to adjust the size, you want to spread, and you want to adjust the distance of your shadow, you can click OK if you're done. So that's how you put some effects on your text in Photoshop. Okay, so I hope you've learned something new using Photoshop. Now, if you want to save this and you want to use this for your social media accounts o kaya sa mga Google Classroom ninyo, okay, pwede naman siyang gamitin po. Okay, but you just have to remove the background. So if in order for you to remove the background, you just have to go to the background layer, and then you just remove the show and hide button here. Okay, so naka-hide na po siya. So if you can see, the background is now transparent. You may now save it as file, save as, and then for example, I will be saving it on my desktop, and then for example, computer. Okay, and then just change the format name to PNG so that the transparent background will retain. Okay, and then just click save. So that's it. Now, transparent na po yung ating Word na computer. You can now attach it in your Microsoft Word, in your Microsoft PowerPoint, and your other social media postings that will be needing na walang background yung ating ipopost na picture. Okay? So that's all. I hope you've learned something new. Okay? If you're not yet subscribed in my channel, please do subscribe, and we will have a lot of tutorials that will be coming soon. Okay? Bye! See you on the next video.